the disappointment. Wah, wah, wah. He was on the verge of crying because he thought he was never going to make it on the train for his first train ride. Unfortunately, this train to Linstead, this train was full, so we had to wait on the second train, which would be heading into Old Habour. Even the train master had to stop by to let him know to cheer up because a next train will be arriving soon. So guys, we finally made it onto the train and look at the excitement. We are rolling out of Spanish Town, heading into Old Habour, and that's about a 30-minute ride. Come join us on our little adventure. So now we are at the end of the line, finally in Old Habour. A really fun, enjoyable experience, and I was so happy to see that he enjoyed this ride so much. So we're going to have to do another one. Hope you'll join us then. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. and we will see you in the next one. Walk good.